Hello everybody and welcome back to the Mallard 5 Farmhouse. Today is leap day and it is also 18 degrees this morning. I recently had a viewer express concerns about cheaper tractor brands, how they have trouble starting in the cold weather. So I'm going to show you all firsthand how my tractor starts up in 18 degree temperatures. Yes, it's sitting in a garage, but this garage isn't heated. But I'm going to show you that. Keep in mind that I bought this tractor in the summer of 2017 and I have not messed with the battery at all. It's still the original battery, never charged it. So keep that in mind and we'll go ahead and show you how this thing fires up in the cold weather. Alright, let's fire this thing up. Turn it on. There's my glow plug light over here. Okay, it's off, so it is ready. Put the foot on the clutch. Oh yeah. Winter's finally coming to an end here in Ohio, so it's time for me to start focusing on getting firewood for next winter. So I invested in this 4-way wedge. I bought this at Tractor Supply. It's a County Line brand. And even though my splitter is a black diamond splitter, this County Line 4-way wedge fits on there just fine. So today we're going to use this 4-way wedge and get rid of this log pile, hopefully. Alright, so that's how much wood we've got in about an hour. They're laying on the ground, that stack was already there. And you got to factor in, I had to move the camera and I had a couple pieces of elm that were stubborn. But me and old Kaylee here, we're gonna...
I'm not old.
Nah, you're not old. You're the oldest one. We're gonna stack this wood and see how much we did in an hour. I'm telling you right now, that 4-way wedge is helping out a lot. You know today is leap day? You know what that means?
I couldn't hear you.
Today is leap day.
Leap day?
Leap.
Leap?
You know what that means? It means we get an extra day this year.
Oh.
Normally a year has 365 days. This year we get 366. Every 4 years, there's an extra day.
Daddy?
So you know what that means? If you was born on February 29th, You only have a birthday every 4 years. You wouldn't get any presents.
Daddy,
Only every 4 years you get a present for your birthday. Would that be bad or what?
no. I would have papers. I would have baby clothes.
What are you talking about?
I would have some more socks.
Alright, Kaylee's putting the last piece up. Over that corner is our stack. So that's how much we split in just 1 hour. I should have bought a 4-way wedge a long time ago. That's a good start for next year. We still got this pile over here Kaylee's on. What do you think? Alright everybody, if you like this video, hit the button down here to subscribe to the channel. If you want to see our last video, click over here. And if you need some inspiration for your day, check out this scripture down here in the corner. Until next time,
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching.